Alright, so as you can see, I got it taped off. I'm going to be cutting off about 3 inches. I just put this tape around it to guide me for the cut. I'm just going to be using a hacksaw. So I'm going to get this clamped up to my bench here and we'll see how it goes. So here it is right after the cut. Came out pretty good. I actually left the core and packing in there just so I could do it all in one cut instead of having to cut the core separately. Here's a piece I cut off, about 3 inches like I said. So yeah, I'm gonna get the other one done, get them drilled, and I'll show you how to put it back together. So because of the way this end cap is designed, it's actually, I don't know if you can see, it's flared. So for it to fit, sorry, trying to hold this and hold the camera at the same time. For it to fit, you actually have to cut the core down a little bit. See, this is about where the core will sit into the stinger, about that far into the silencer. And with it being cut flush with the silencer, the end cap needs, I don't know, maybe ½ inch more to go. So I'm going to trim off a little bit of the core, so that it sits a little bit into the silencer itself so that the end cap can go all the way on. So now I'm just going to cut off a little bit of this core so that way the end cap can fit flush into the silencer and I can put the rivets in. I'm just going to start with a little bit. If it's not enough, I can always cut more. I'd rather not cut off enough than cut off too much. So I'm going to start right here and see how it goes. Alright guys, so the amount of the core I cut off ended up being enough. Got it all put back together, just got to throw the 3 screws in. I was doing the rivets. I thought I was recording, but my phone died, so didn't really have any footage of that. And here are the finished pipes. Got the custom stickers I ordered put on, and they sound pretty good.